Are you ready to learn the secrets of staying ahead in the crypto world? Avoid these 5 common mistakes made in crypto and join us as we uncover crucial strategies that will keep you on top. Don't make mistakes with your crypto. Take a few minutes to discover how you can protect and grow your wealth. Hi, my name is Paula and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 common mistakes made in crypto and how you can avoid them. But before we get stuck into this video, I do hope that you will subscribe to my channel and smash that like button now so more people can find this video. So if you are ready, let's get started. The first mistake is not taking profits. This is a mistake I have made and I've seen many others also make. This can stem from greed, especially in a bull market when everybody is screaming that we are going to the moon. People have to be a bit realistic. Yes, massive gains can be made in crypto, but so can massive losses. It's a risky asset, and with higher risk comes higher profits or bigger losses. Look at it this way. If you left your money in the bank, you're going to earn 0 or very little interest. So if you can make a 20 or 30% gain, it's way more than what you have made in the bank, or many other investments for that matter. So if you dollar cost average in your purchases, then you should be able to dollar cost average out your sales. This means that you're going to be bagging profits on the way up, yet not totally exiting your position, and that way you can avoid this trap of not taking profits. The second mistake is falling for FUD and falling for FOMO. Now, these basically means that you're making emotional financial decisions, and they're most often based on either positive or negative hype, social media, and zooming in way too much on the charts. FOMO and FUD are real. There, when Bitcoin started to go up at the beginning of this year, I totally missed what I thought or what was the local bottom. Now, I don't know if it's the bear market bottom or not, but we've seen a healthy growth since. Now, this gave me serious FOMO, and I was very tempted to jump in on those lovely green candles, but buying into large green candles is FOMO. And yes, I did miss some gains, but I took a calculated risk. The best way to avoid this is to have a plan and stick to the plan. Dollar cost average in your purchases, set targets, and then stick to that plan. Execution of the plan is everything. Now, the third mistake is lack of security. How many times have you read about somebody losing all of their assets, be it NFTs or crypto, because of lack of security? I've seen even the most experienced people in crypto lose assets because of this. Sometimes they just get complacent, and when that happens, bad actors, they're sitting there just ready to take advantage. If you're going to be involved in crypto, then you have to learn the basics of security. Never share your private key or your seed phrase. No legitimate person or company are ever going to ask you for these. Always navigate to a website via a trusted link, not a link that somebody shares with you in Discord or Telegram or on Twitter. Don't download something that you are not sure about. This includes any files that may include scripts like a Google Sheet. If someone tells you that you have winnings or a distribution to collect, ignore it. You don't get something for nothing. Well, now, that is most of the time, and we all know that some airdrops are legitimate, but check the official website and check the official social media channels. Now, I say official and emphasize that as there's even a warning with this. Fake socials and channels are set up to fool people, and they work. So stay safe. The fourth mistake is not taking custody of your own digital assets, your crypto and NFTs. Every bear market so far has seen the collapse of centralized exchanges, leading to losses for thousands of holders. So it's important that you remember, not your keys, not your coins. An exchange is a custodial wallet because they keep custody of the keys, not you. And if there is a run then on the exchange, most often they won't have the liquidity to pay everyone. My advice is to keep as little as possible on an exchange, only the amount that you need. Now, if you're a short-term trader, you might need to hold quite a bit. But if you're more of a long-term holder, you're better off with a non-custodial wallet, and even better, a hardware wallet. Now, even traders should start looking at decentralized exchanges, because these are becoming more and more popular, and traders should consider using these where they actually can. And I know it's not always possible because of coins and liquidity. Now, for this particular mistake and the previous one on lack of security, I have a free course on self-custody. It's less than an hour long, but it'll give you tips and tricks of staying safe, best practices for self-custody, and tools to help you use crypto websites in a more safe and secure way. Look, it's a free course and it's a short investment of time. As I said, it's less than an hour. This investment of time could save you thousands in the end. So I've put a link below the description in this video, and I do hope that you'll hop over. Sure, hop over now, click the link now and sign up for that course today. So finally, the fifth and last mistake that I'm going to talk about in this video is taking part in high leverage trading. Now, you're going to see a few moon boys on Twitter and on YouTube doing this, and they're promoting massive gains, but some of these dudes are actually market makers, and market makers are there to take your money from you. To explain the basics of leverage trading, say you deposit €1,000 or dollars as collateral and you borrow, let's say, 10,000 in return. This is a 10x, so you can buy 10 times more crypto than you could with your original $1,000. Now, obviously, if you buy 10 times more crypto and then the price goes up, you have 10 times the gains. But if the price goes down, you have 10 times the losses. Now, on a 10x, the price only needs to drop by 10% for you to lose all of your funds. That's right, you get liquidated and you actually lose everything. Leverage trading is super risky, folks, and unless you're damn experienced, stay away from it. So that is 5 common mistakes people make in cryptocurrency time and time again. Don't make these same mistakes. Stay safe and have fun. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I do hope that you'll do so now, and please do smash that like button so other people can find this video. See you next time. Goodbye now.